Later, he moved to Yenaye Herbal and Physiotherapy Clinic as consulting doctor, and psychologist. He also worked on many research projects in the medical-related field. Mr. Adu Apo is an ambassador for Reproductive Cancers Awareness Team Ghana, and currently he is the senior consultant for Young Biologists medical team and coordinator of the COVID-19 screeners at VRA Hospital, Akozombo, Ghana. Mr. Russell, are you here?
Yes, please, listen up.
Okay, can you please start sharing your screen?
Please, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah,